Hey friends, when we are using WordPress CMS for our business website, we can expect we can implement unlimited features at our website. Advanced features that you may ever need for your business objectives. Yes, you can target easily when you have a correct selection of plugin on a WordPress website. In this video, we are going to discuss a very amazing feature that is a very specific requirement that you can say. And I'm going to show you how we can redirect our website visitors to a different page based on country. So let us assume I have a website. This is a demo website that we created during our earlier video, and it has multiple home pages, let us say, and it may have multiple contact us pages as well, and different posts and different pages undoubtedly. Now let us assume I wish to show home page 2 when the website is being accessed from a different country, uh, why while I am accessing this website from India from my IP home IP. This is our home page, and I have like this is another home page version. I'm just taking an example of home page. You can select any page or any post uh, for this redirection rules that I am going to show you. It is going to be super useful when you are serving your website to multiple countries and you wish to show different content, different pages, different posts to a specific country based on their IP, based on your their country, a specific country visitors, of course. So just to illustrate the case, I am going to set a rule with a plugin that I am going to show you. Uh, that will help us in showing this homepage 2 in Germany, let us say, and homepage 1 in India. When website is being accessed from Germany, it will show the homepage 2, and while it is being accessed from India, it is showing the original homepage. Similarly, we can create multiple rules. Now, I am taking you to the backend of this website. This is the redirect rules that I am using, and the plugin that I am using, I am also going to show you. But yes, I'm going to show you very simple screen. So what I have selected as a rule, I selected Germany here from this drop down list. You can choose any country depending upon your requirement. I selected for this post or page. So I selected home here, and the target URL, I selected the second home here and simply added the rule. Now, what is the result? Result is here. It is showing homepage 2. So I am accessing the website from the virtual access, and now let us open the home page here using the virtual access from Germany. So like this is virtual access tool, hide me, and I have selected the proxy location Germany since I created the rule for Germany. So this is why I'm taking the example for Germany. You can choose any of your requirement. Okay, so the home page is here. I typed the home page, I placed the home page URL. This is the website URL, this is the website homepage URL, and now I'm going to click on go, and it is the website homepage. The website is being accessed from the Germany, you can assume this, and now it is opening up, and now it is being redirected automatically. I just selected the parameters, I did not place any IP, and you can see the good result here. Was not it so amazing and super simple? You can say it is really a very effective tool that we can use to redirect visitors on different page based upon your their countries. Okay, so we have multiple options with the plugin that I am using here. And you can choose category wise redirection. If you choose a category, or traffic of that specific category will be redirected. If you want to redirect a single post or page, leave the category as none. So this is the selection. Site-wide, we can choose to redirect site-wide redirections if you want to redirect no matter the category post page, and we can use the site-wide rule. And further, we have the wildcard redirection as well. So on different domain event, we can redirect. So we have all this rule and it is very simple to use. We just need to select the parameters what we want to redirect. Like this is the post, and uh, simply select the post or category what you want to redirect. Like this website has two categories, so I can choose a single category to redirect all the post of that specific category. What I did in this case, I chosen a page here. So I have all the list of page and post here. So I can simply type and search the post, desired post that I wish to redirect, and simply place the target URL and simply click on add rule. The rule will be created, and further you can remove the created rule anytime as you wish. So it is super simple, super easy, and easy to implement, and it is super effective as well. Now, you might be thinking, which is this great plugin? And yes, I'm going to show you, don't worry. So I am taking you to the Instart plugin, and I'm using WP GeoIP country redirect, and it has been developed by Crevion. So this is the landing page of the plugin that you can avail at codecanyon.net simply through the video description link. And this amazing plugin, this amazing solution is available just for $29. And in this $29, you are going to get the quality checked by Envato itself, the future updates, all future updates of this plugin, and even 6 months support from the plugin developer Crevion. And in addition to this, we are here to help you in every manner in implementing this solution. So simply start a chat with a IC mentor here, and you'll get all the solutions for your WordPress website. So not limited to this plugin only, you can ask any question related to WordPress website here, and it is going to be super free for you. So what we can expect using this wonderful plugin as a solution and an advanced feature for our WordPress website with the WP GeoIP country redirect, you can simply apply redirects by homepage, the specific category, any single post or page, the mass redirect, and even site-wide redirect. This plugin is very established. It was actually developed in 2013 and being regularly updated. So you can easily assume its establishment, and it has got a very good reviews rating from its existing users and got good number of sales as well. So you have a very, very wonderful solution if you are willing to redirect your users, your website visitor based on their country, their IP, and you can automatically detect I mean your website can automatically detect the country of your visitor and take the following actions like redirect to a specific page for your desire, and add you can even add redirect rules for either a specific page or from a drop down of all pages. I have already shown you. So grab this, and it is just a expenditure of $29, and you are going to get all the updates. So I'm sure you like this feature, and it is very useful for the purpose it has been made, and you are going to use this as well. This is not a promotional video. You have all the options to choose and compare on this channel itself. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to get regular updates from this channel. See you in the next video. I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching.